Restorative Charting. To access the restorative chart from your patient lookup list, first you're going to highlight your patient's name and then click on Chart on the top left. Here you'll then see our new and improved chart. On the right hand side we have your different treatment modes from new treatment, completed, pre-existing, new findings, and treatment planning. The first thing that you'll probably do is pre-existing. Pre-existings are for your new patients to mark any pre-existing caries or mark treatment that was done by another dentist. I have my red box over pre-existing so you know that's my treatment mode. And then I'm just going to go ahead and click on examination. It's going to bring me all my icons and then just choose what they have pre-existing. For example, I'm going to choose the missing icon and then just click on my teeth. You'll see down here everything that you entered on the chart also entered is down here. Anything that's down here is also transferred over to the transaction screen except for any pre-existing treatments. If I need to choose another function, I'm going to click on my icon, for example caries, and then my tooth number and my surface. Once you enter in all the pre-existing, the next thing you're going to probably want to do is new treatment. New treatment is where you find for your new patients any treatment that needs to be done. Again, you would just choose the service code and then the tooth number, and then again it'll be listed down below. You can do more than one treatment on one tooth. You'll see here everything that you do, it will show a graphic on your dental chart. Then we also have new finding. New findings are usually used for your existing patients. For example, you can mark any caries that are found at the next recall exam. So for example, this patient comes in for their next exam and you find any new findings, you would just mark it as new finding. And then let's say you found some caries. I would click on caries from examination category. And again, just choose my tooth number and my surface. Then once any treatment is completed, you can mark them as completed here, or any of your information down below. Say for example, this caries was filled. I would just right click and then mark this treatment as completed. You'll see as you are charting here on the left hand side, it's also charting here on the arch view and the 3D view. To expand the 3D view, I would just click on this icon to show the 3D model. This is a better way for you to show your patients so they can understand what's really going on in their mouth. By using your mouse, I can just hold down my left key and I can rotate it to the left or to the right, or I can choose to open the mouth here and then rotate it. You can also change the gum opacity as well. So you can definitely see this implant that's in here. If you have a screen that's touch mode, all you have to do is mark this as touch mode, so then Mogo will recognize that you're using a touch mode screen. If I close out of here, the last screen that we did will automatically be saved on the bottom. You have also the option to click on View Form. This option shows you your completed, accepted, new findings, or pre-existing depending on what you mark. If any of these treatments have documentation, it also can expand documentation and show you exactly what is documented per tooth. You also have the option to edit any treatment, add treatment, or delete treatment from here that will also be updated on this screen. Once everything looks good, just go ahead and click on close, and then it brings you back to your restorative chart.